Hello dear students, myself Salman Kaktikar, Assistant Professor, Department of Accountancy, DRK College of Commerce, Kolhapur. I welcome all the students in my YouTube channel, that is SK Account Tips. Today we discuss about syllabus of Advanced Accountancy paper first for BCom last year students. Shivaji University Kolhapur changed last year's syllabus and introduced new syllabus for BCom last year. This syllabus effect from June 2020. It means from this year. My humble request to all my dear students, don't be panic about new syllabus of advanced accountancy paper first, because there is no changes in old and new syllabus except 4th unit, because University Authority introduced GST accounting by using Tally ERP9 in last unit. In the syllabus of Advanced Accountancy paper first, there are 4 units. Unit first related to bank account. In that unit, we discuss vertical format of profit and loss account and balance sheet as per rules and regulations. Second unit divide among two parts. First part cover farm accounting and second part cover hire purchase system. Third unit is related to insurance claim and last unit related to GST accounting with practical using Tally. Now we discuss unit-wise syllabus. First unit is related to bank final account. In that you learn profit and loss account, balance sheet of banking sector with 16 schedules as per Banking Regulation Act 1949. 16 marks obtained for bank final account in university examination. I already mentioned second unit divided among two parts. First part covered farm accounting. In that you learn trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet, farm account, crop account, cattle account, livestock account, dairy account and poultry account. 8 marks obtained for farm accounting in university examination. And second part cover hire purchase system. In that you learn calculation of interest. There is 4 methods for calculation of interest. Journal entries in the books of hire purchaser and vendor, ledgers in the books of hire purchaser, that is assets account, vendor account, interest account and depreciation account. And also you learn ledgers in the books of vendor, that is hire purchaser account and interest account. 8 marks allotted for hire purchase system in university examination. Third chapter or third unit cover insurance claim. In that you learn two type of problems. First, loss of stock policy and second, loss of profit policy. 8 marks allotted for insurance claim in university examination. And the last unit cover theory and practical related GST accounting by using Tally. In theory part, you learn introduction to GST on goods, indirect taxation prior GST, GST implementation in India, why GST was introduced in India, understanding GST taxation system, dual GST, structure of GST, determination of tax, registration, GST in structure, businesses liable to register under GST, tax invoice, bill of supply, supplementary invoice, input tax credit set off, GST returns, payment of tax. And in the part of practical, you learn getting started with GST in Tally ERP9, basic concepts in GST, configuring GST in Tally ERP9, company setup, enable goods and service tax. Also learn GST classification, creating masters, creating purchase ledger, creating sales ledger, creating GST ledger, creating party ledger, creating stock items. And also you learn entering transactions, creating purchase invoice with GST, creating sales invoice with GST, printing sales invoice, GST reports and GST tax payment. These 4 units you will learn for 5th semester of BCom. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query about new syllabus of advanced accountancy, then you can contact me. My mobile number is 9923366838 and my email ID is salmankak313@gmail.com. Subscribe my YouTube channel, that is SK Account Tips, for more updates about your study material, and like, share this video and comment on it. Thank you.